Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Moxy and Nylin, and Miss Moxy has hiccups. She's got hiccups. Oh, there they are. You got a hiccup? You got a hiccup, bunny bear? Huh? You got a hiccup? If I rub your belly, will it make it go away? Why you get the hiccups? Why you get the hiccups, huh? Oh no! What are we gonna do? Oh no! Don't hiccup. Oh, don't hiccup. Don't hiccup. I'm gonna pat her on the back. I don't know. I don't know why she's got the hiccups. Sweet little bear. Sweet little bear's got the hiccups. She's got the hiccups. You thirsty, bunny? Are you thirsty, little Moxy girl? Let's see. Thanks for tuning in. This is Moxy and Nylin.